Here's how to clear the cache on Stremio manually for a deeper cleanup. First, fully close Stremio. Do not just minimize it. Check the system tray near the clock, right-click the Stremio icon, and select Exit so it shuts down completely. If Stremio is still running, some cache files will be locked and cannot be deleted. Now, navigate to the cache folder. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog and type %appdata%, then press Enter. This jumps you straight to the roaming folder. Open the Stremio folder, then Stremio Server, then Stremio Cache. Once inside, press Ctrl-A to select all files and press Delete. You are only deleting the contents, not the folder itself. If Windows says a file is in use, double-check that Stremio is fully closed through Task Manager and try again. Once done, reopen Stremio. The first launch may be slightly slower as it rebuilds fresh cache. That is normal and means the cleanup worked. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.